the restaurant.
Start.
Arrival at the restaurant. Welcome to Happy Restaurant. How many people? Huan Ying, Guan Ling, Huan Li, Kan Ting. Jingwen, Jiwe. Jaswan, Yiwe. Come this way, please. Zibian, Ching. Please have a seat. Your server will be here. Jing Zuo, Fu Wu Yuan, Ma Xiang Lai. Thank you, xie xie. Ordering the food. Hello, are you ready to order the food? Ni hao, nin yao dan yan kan ma? Yes, please. Sure da. What would you like to order? Ni yao jian, shin mi ni. I like to order a plate of kung bao chicken, a bowl of rice, and a glass of orange juice. Wu yao yi pan, gong bao ji ding, yi wan mi fan, hai yao yi bei ching zi. Would you like anything else? Bei di hai yao ma. No thanks, that's all. Bu yao la, xie xie, ju zi xie. Okay, how da? Paying the bill. Excuse me, miss. I'm ready to pay the bill. Fu Wu Yuan, my dan. Cash or credit card? Ni shi, xian ji, hua shi, shua ka. Cash, please, xian jin. That will be 63 yuan. You sure, san, kwai. Here you are, gay ni. Here is your change and your receipt. Please come again. Zisher ninda, li qian, he, xiao kiao, huan ying, xie sai, zai lai. Ordering coffee at the coffee shop. Welcome. What would you like to drink? Guan Ying, Guan Ling, Ni Xiang, He Dian Xin Mi. I would like a latte and a mocha. Latte without milk or sugar. Wu Xiang na Yibei, Latte Cafe, He Mocha Cafe. Latte Buyao, Nunai, Hu Tang. Okay, how da? Your total comes to 53 yuan. Is it for her or to go? Zonggong shi, Wu san yuan, Zai zili, He wai shi, Dai zu. For here, please. Wu hui, Zai, zili, He. Okay, here is your receipt. How? Zisher ninda, shu ju. The waiter will serve your coffee to you later. Fu Wu Yuan, Hoi, Ba, Cafe, Song Dao, Ninda, Zozi, Shang. Okay, thank you. How da, xie xie ne. That's all, thank you.